This 128 gig digital voice recorder with 7,000 hours recording capacity is a reliable tool for anyone needing to capture high quality audio, whether it's for meetings, lectures, or personal notes. The standout feature here is its massive 128 gig storage, which can hold up to 7,000 hours of audio. This means you can go months, if not longer, without worrying about running out of space. The sound quality is top notch thanks to its 1536 kbps audio recording and advanced noise reduction technology ensures that your recordings are clear and free from distracting background noise. Using this recorder is a breeze. The interface is intuitive, so you won't be fumbling around trying to figure out how to get started. It's a sleek, modern design that feels durable enough to last through heavy use. One of the best features is the voice activation, which starts recording automatically when it detects sound. No need to constantly press buttons. Plus, with the USB-C connection, transferring files to your computer is quick and easy. A couple of additional perks include the long battery life, which lasts up to 35 hours, and the autosave function that prevents you from losing important recordings if the battery dies. I'll go ahead and play a sound for you right off the recorder so you kind of know the sound detail that you're getting. See, you'll see I recorded a setting just a second ago. This is just the base audio sound with no sort of microphone connection. That's what you're getting in terms of sound quality. On the downside, the price might be a bit steep for some, but considering the features and the storage capacity, it's definitely a worthwhile investment.